Love you. Watch out, there's a car. Hutto's going to take us on Chambers Gully loop. So we just got to warm up the hippies.
Sore gluteus med.
Gluteus medius. Gluteus medius. Let's go and have a look at this trail. Chambers Gully, Cleland Trails. We are currently here. Parked the car here. Chambers Gully. Blue one, all the way up here. Hit turn. That's your final bit of climbing done there. And then you hit Long Ridge all the way down. And you can either go down this one here, Winter's Trail, which is wicked, very fun, or we can do the goat track, which goes from here around the side of Sugarloaf Hill back down in there.
Let's go already!
Let's go, baby! Big smiles from camera.
Oh, look big. Got it.
That's the first creek crossing.
My dog.
Black Hill. No water in the creek. It's a nice long climb, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, this is currently the situation. The goat track's here on the right. That's what will come down. That one wraps around up there.
Do you reckon maybe we should...
Don't worry about
We're
that.
going this way.
So, this is another section of Chambers. Just come up here. And you continue on further up. Or you can go up... Can't remember the track. Haven't been here that long. But anyway, I'm going to drop a video soon called 14 Peaks, which involves this climb up here. So we start at the same spot, bottom of Chambers, goat track, and then we hit 14 peaks. 20 k's worth, 2,000 meters of climbing. Perfect training for Buffalo Stampede if anyone's doing that and lives local in Adelaide. Otherwise, don't worry about it.
Beautiful. Don't stop now, boy. We gotta keep running. Look at the sun coming through. You got it. We've got a digger coming up. It's covering the trail. A gold digger. Oh, she a gold digger. Yeah. She take my money when I'm in need. Oh, she a gold digger.
You're doing so well, Huddo.
Thank you, my man.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
He's a hustler, that's for sure.
I'm trying my hardest.
Yeah.
Get my fat bum up the trail.
For someone who hasn't run a lot of trails in the last 6 months, you're doing a bloody fantastic job, mate, I tell you.
Yeah, thanks, man.
That's great.
What dialect should we try?
I don't know.
Should we try South African?
You could do South African.
These trails.
How you going?
Hey. These trails are so different back home.
South African.
The national parks back in America. In the US, we have so many trails. California, especially. You know, you got Yosemite. You got all the other ones.
All the other big ones.
To be honest, bro.
You got the John Muir Trail.
Yeah, that's right. Out here, just so different, man. You know.
Yeah.
The Australian.
The East Cascade Mountains.
Yeah.
You've only got to Cape Town.
In Cape Town.
Cape Town.
You're at the mountain, huh?
Yeah. This is where the views start to come out.
Shucks.
Whoa.
Oh. Watch those ankles, buddy.
Almost landed in a pothole.
Hey, little buddy.
That's all the climbing in Chambers done. Now we descend Long Ridge. That's a big kangaroo. All downhill from here.
Risky.
All downhill from here.
All down.
All downhill from here. This is pretty good.
Yeah.
This is where you can just let the legs roll over.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I'm having a good
Ease
time.
into it. Are you?
I'm enjoying myself. And, you know,
That's it.
you should be too.
Got a bit of Andrew Simons about that nose.
Hey, man. I say more
A
my
lot
cussing.
of zinc on it.
More my cussing.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A bit more of a gully cover kind of filter.
Yeah.
He was.
Oh, this looks great. Yeah, I feel like people do lose a lot of weight running when they could probably otherwise have just eaten more calories.
Yeah, 100%. People, I reckon there's a fox in there.
Maybe.
Oh, was that you?
Yeah.
Fuck, that scared the shit out of me. He literally scared the shit. There's a big Aussie kangaroo here. Hudson reckons he's going to try and touch it. You got this, man.
Get rid of the wide shot.
Oh, we're on. Follow him through. He was quick. Should we go up this one? It's native.
Alright.
It's native to Cleland. Ready for the best view? Oh, there's another one.
Bum. Oh,
Hey, brother.
oh,
Look at that.
so shy.
Wowza.
Very.
He was, wasn't he? Oh, big descent. Big quad burner.
Do the back face coming. Face backward. Is it face backward?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got behind you. There's the buddies.
Hey, little buddy. It's Joey's birthday today.
Joey?
If you haven't seen Planet of the Apes, you have now. Kangaroo heaven. Oi!
He didn't want to go any closer. He wasn't going to move.
Get him.
Oh my god. That would hurt.
Bro, look at them all.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
They're everywhere. Hey, little buddy. Oh, look at the size of that one. Look at him. He's not going to back down.
Okay, I'll go this way.
Let's herd them down the goat track.
Hey buddy. Down there?
Yeah.
Start this bit here.
Now we're at the goat track and Hudson is going to show us how this one's done, aren't you? You're going to take the lead on this?
Yeah, you go with that?
Yeah. So the goat track is just a single trail all the way down. It's also a good bum crack trail, as you can see here. Keeps the quads nice and close together, so you do get
you feel me?
you get an itchy bum. But you can just cruise down. Has some wicked views later on in this. Oh, bro. It's pretty rock hard. It's not normally this bone dry. This has normally got a bit of give in it. It's got no give in it today.
Just bone dry.
Just bone dry.
Down, 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 down.
We all love this bit.
Yeah.
You gotta do a backflip.
Okay.
Backflip, backflip. Yes.
Yeah.
That's great.
My favourite view is around the corner here. Look at it. Show the viewers that.
Yeah, we're showing them that.
Show them that one.
We're showing them that one.
Yeah, that one up there. That's the city of Adelaide. It's located in South Australia.
Adelaide, South Australia, Australia,
Population of around
Earth.
2 million or 1.6 million or something. Don't quote me. Anyway.
Damn, I'll pick it up a bit, bros.
One of the most livable cities in the world, Adelaide. Down there.
Down there.
No, if you're looking-
Not here. Down there.
If you're looking to have a family,
Settle down.
yeah.
Stay comfortable. this is the place to be.
But between now and then, definitely get out and see some of the world.
Yeah, 100%.
Adelaide's pretty fucking boring.
Yeah. Unless you're ready to settle down.
Yeah, if you're looking to settle down.
Then Adelaide's the place for you.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this section.
Good fun.
This is nice.
Look at this sexy.
Oh yeah, that was nice. Oh, we're mixing it up a bit.
That was real nice.
A little bit of cliff drop going on here. Just make sure we're hitting our foot placements nicely. Foot placements.
Wow, the exposure.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Off the edge.
The exposure, bro. You don't want to look down there for too long.
Nah, you'd end up dead.
I'll take the camera.
No, it's great.
Yeah. No, just for a minute.
Keep going.
Just for a minute.
No, you're good. Keep it up.
Dude, I nearly fell off the trail there. Look at the exposure.
Are you gonna run?
Yeah, I'm gonna run. And as I was saying, I'll just start my monologue from now. On the trails. I feel like most of your problems can be solved with a day on the trails.
Yep. Every issue
Hello.
is solved with a
How you guys going?
There you go.
Hey.
Hi.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys. I feel like we just get in the habit of scrolling on our phones.
Yeah,
Me too.
We should get in the habit of scrolling the trails. Trail scroll.
Patrolling the
That's
scroll.
what it's going to be called.
Patrolling the trails.
This will be our new page called Trail Scroll.
Trail stroll.
Trail Stroll.
Strolling. Not yeah.
Trolling.
I feel
Trail rolling.
you're gonna get trolled in the comments.
Trail roll.
Do you wanna go in front?
Nah, you're good. Oh, you hit the apex. Yeah, brother.
Anyway, as I was saying,
How you going?
you have to appear tough when you run past people on the trails. Oh, he's telling me to hurry up. He's telling me to speed up. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. Just give me a minute. Okay, ready? Ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're moving, we're moving. We're moving, come on.
Alright, that's our Chambers loop done. Follow along for next week's. But we're not doing Chambers next week, we'll do something else. Episode 2 of running on trails. Nice.